let me create my very first list. Maybe I'll call it as LST1, and these are the contents of my list: 10, 20, 30. Next, I have list 2, which are containing the elements 40, 50, and 60. Now, my expectation is I want to create a list LST3, which should be containing all the elements from list 1 also, list 2 also. In other words, I am interested in merging these two lists. And how can I do it? If you want to do that particular activity, all that you should be telling is LST1 plus LST2. And if you do this internally, what is going to be performed here is the merging of two lists would take place. And really, if that is the case, and if I would execute, as you can see, we have got a brand new list which is containing all the elements from list 1 as the elements from list 2. If you want, since 100% undoubtedly in the background, in the memory, it is a brand new object. If you want, you can create a reference, then print the reference. Anyways, I'm not interested in using this object anymore. I just wanted to display the output. That is why I've directly put this within the print statement. I also tell LST1 dot extend. What does extend method actually expects? It expects another list, and this time I'll pass the list as L2. And now if I would print my list called as LST1, and if I would execute the program, as you can see, we have got the same output. But then what is the difference? Use the extend method, the original list is going to be modified. The list is modified. But if you use the plus operator to perform merging of two different lists, the original lists are not modified. Any confusion with this? You can use the extend method also, but in this case, it is going to modify the first list. Use the plus operator to merge two different lists. It is not going to modify the original list.